Imagine waking up to money in your account without lifting a finger. No alarms, no rush, just the quiet satisfaction of knowing your finances are growing while you sleep. This is the power of passive income. It's not just a concept, it's a life-changing reality. Think about it: financial freedom, time to do what truly matters to you, and the ability to build wealth that lasts. Passive income gives you the flexibility to live life on your own terms, freeing you from the constant grind and letting you focus on what really makes you happy. In this video, we're going to explore the different ways you can start earning passive income and how to set up these income streams so they work for you, day and night. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your existing income sources, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge you need to make money while you sleep. Passive income is money that flows into your pocket with minimal effort to maintain. Unlike active income, where you trade your time and energy for every dollar, passive income continues to earn you money even when you're not actively working. It's like planting a tree that grows and bears fruit year after year with just a little care. But let's clear up a few myths right away. Passive income isn't some magical get-rich-quick scheme. It's not something that just happens overnight. Building real, sustainable passive income takes time, planning, and sometimes initial effort. But once it's in place, it has the power to provide ongoing financial benefits. And here's the key: relying on just one source of income, even if it's passive, can be risky. That's why it's important to build multiple streams of passive income. By diversifying, you not only spread out your risk, but also increase your potential to earn more over time. The more streams you have, the more secure your financial future becomes. Now, let's dive into some of the most popular passive income streams that you can start building today. First up, we have dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. It's like being rewarded for simply owning a piece of the company. To get started, you'll want to choose reliable companies with a history of steady dividend payouts. Platforms like Robinhood or eStarTrade make it easy to buy and manage these stocks. The beauty of dividend stocks lies in their long-term benefits. Through reinvesting your dividends and allowing them to compound, you create a growing, steady income stream over time. Next, there's real estate investment, which can be incredibly lucrative. You have a couple of options here. One way is through rental properties, where you earn income by renting out a property you own. The key to success in rental properties is finding the right property, managing it well, and securing financing that works for you. Alternatively, if you want to invest in real estate without the hassle of property management, consider real estate investment trusts, or REITs. These allow you to invest in real estate portfolios and earn a share of the income generated, all without owning or managing the properties yourself. Another powerful passive income stream is digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, or software. Once you create a digital product, you can sell it repeatedly with minimal effort. Platforms like Amazon Kindle, Udemy, or even your own website are great places to sell these products. The scalability of digital products is what makes them so attractive. You create it once, and it has the potential to generate income indefinitely. Then, there's affiliate marketing. This is where you earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Whether it's through a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media, affiliate marketing allows you to earn money by simply sharing products you believe in. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or niche-specific programs make it easy to find products to promote. Setting up a blog or channel to share your recommendations can create a steady stream of passive income. Peer-to-peer lending is another option. This involves lending money to individuals or small businesses through platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. In return, you earn interest on the loans. The key here is to diversify your loans to minimize risk, ensuring that even if a few loans default, your overall returns remain positive. Lastly, we have automated online businesses like dropshipping and print-on-demand. These businesses allow you to sell products online without ever touching the inventory. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, or Printful make it simple to set up and automate much of the process, from marketing to inventory management and customer service. With the right tools and automation, these businesses can run with minimal involvement, generating income while you focus on other things. Each of these passive income streams has its own set of benefits and considerations, but with the right approach, any of them can become a reliable source of income, helping you build wealth and financial freedom over time. To successfully set up passive income streams, There are a few essential steps you'll need to follow. First, start with research. It's crucial to understand each passive income stream before diving in. Whether you're interested in dividend stocks, real estate, or digital products, take the time to educate yourself. Resources like books, online courses, blogs, and expert advice are invaluable. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions that lead to success. Next, consider the initial investment required. Passive income doesn't mean zero effort up front. Whether it's time, energy, or capital, you'll need to invest something to get started. Budgeting and planning are key here. Understand what resources you have and how much you're willing to commit. The more thoughtful your initial investment, the stronger your passive income stream will be. Once you've set up your income stream, the goal is to automate and scale. There are countless tools and strategies available to help you automate processes, from marketing and sales to customer service and management. The more you can automate, the less hands-on work you'll need to do. And once your income stream is running smoothly, you can focus on scaling it, expanding your reach, increasing your earnings, and growing your wealth. Finally, reinvest and diversify. As your passive income starts to flow, it's wise to reinvest some of those earnings back into your existing streams or new ones. Diversification is key to long-term wealth. By spreading your investments across multiple income streams, you reduce your risk and increase your potential for financial stability and growth. Following these steps will not only help you set up passive income streams effectively, but also ensure they continue to grow and serve you in the long run. Building passive income streams comes with its own set of challenges, especially in the beginning. One of the most common hurdles people face is the initial setup. It can feel overwhelming to start something new, whether it's choosing the right stocks, finding the perfect rental property, or launching a digital product. The key to overcoming these challenges is to break them down into manageable steps. Start small, focus on one thing at a time, and remember that every expert was once a beginner. Seeking advice from those who've walked the path before you, leveraging online communities, and using step-by-step guides can make the process much smoother. Consistency and patience are also crucial. Passive income doesn't materialize overnight. It's a marathon, not a sprint. You need to consistently put in the effort, especially in the early stages, and be patient as your income streams grow. It might take months, even years, to see significant returns, but the key is to stay the course. Keep nurturing your income streams, and over time, they will begin to pay off. Another major consideration is risk management. Every passive income stream comes with its own set of risks, whether it's market fluctuations with stocks, tenant issues in rental properties, or changes in consumer behavior for digital products. The first step in managing these risks is to educate yourself. Understand what you're getting into and what the potential pitfalls are. Diversification is also a powerful tool here. By spreading your investments across different streams, you can cushion yourself against losses in any one area. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your strategy based on what's working and what's not is also essential. By acknowledging these challenges and preparing for them, you'll be in a much stronger position to build successful passive income streams that will continue to grow and benefit you for years to come. To bring everything together, let's look at a few real-life success stories that show the true power of passive income. Take, for example, someone who started small by investing in dividend stocks. With consistent investments and reinvesting those dividends, they were able to build a portfolio that now pays them a steady, reliable income every month. Another story is of a couple who began with just one rental property. Over the years, they reinvested their earnings into more properties, eventually creating a real estate empire that now allows them to travel the world free from financial worries. Then, there's the digital entrepreneur who wrote a series of ebooks and set up online courses. What started as a side hustle quickly turned into a full-time income, all while they slept. These examples highlight the diversity of methods available and the profound long-term impact passive income can have on your life. As we wrap up, let's recap the importance of passive income. We've discussed how it can provide financial freedom, flexibility, and long-term wealth. Whether it's through dividend stocks, real estate, digital products, or any other stream, passive income is a powerful tool that can transform your financial future. Now, it's time to take action. The best time to start building your passive income streams is today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. It's what you do now that will pay off in the future. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. And if you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.